Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the WMS licensing functionality, how to active the license. So before we active, what we need to do, we need to install the Vista WMS API module, um, and that should be available in your server. Then activate this one. So after activating, it will create a setting functionality under the setting menu. So let's give some time to activate this one. And it's already activated and redirect to the home screen. So I'm going to setting, and under the setting you will find WMS API in the right side of your left side of your screen. So for activate the license for the mobile app, you need to activate from here. So after click the activation, then there is two setup. One is trial, another one is register with license. So if you choose first trial, you need to just save and it will create the trial license and the details. If you want to register with license, you need to purchase the license from our WMS website. Then you can add your license key in here and hit the register button. It will activate the registration. For the demo perspective, I'm just using the trial version, so you can check from your side as well. So I click the save. So after click save, as I told you, our licensing server will create a license key with a trial mode, and that is the license key, registered details, and trial in details as well. It's coming from our licensing server. So now we got our license key. So whenever it has been done, we will get an email like this way from sales@vistasolutions.com. Here will be the details, my company name, portal login, URL, email, and the one-time password. You need to change this password whenever you are going to log in our portal login. This URL will be changed. Right now we are using this URL just, and also we will send you the license key as well inside of the email. Also, as we are giving you the portal, how it will look like. Whenever you log into the portal, you will see the company name, license key, Odoo version, edition, expired date, device limit, and here is the information about total slot, 0 registered and available. That means we haven't registered any mobile device yet. That's why it's showing 0, available 1, and total is 1, because it's a trial. We are giving trial only for one device. So let's go back to the Odoo and copy the license key. So after copying, we need to apply the license key in here. So let me add this in here, license key. So I have added the license key, sorry, and this is my username for the system, and I need to add the password of the system, whatever we log in into the mobile app or the Odoo. So let me add the password as well in here. So I have added, sorry, license key is coming again. So I just copy my password and try to paste. Let me type the password. It's not taking. So I have typed the password and try to log in. So as you can see, it's asking to allow the camera because we are going to scan the barcode. That's why it's asking your permission. So I just give him the allow the access. So now if I go to the dashboard of the portal system, so now you will see one device has been registered, and the model number, the username, that is the database name, and when everything, all the details you will see is activated. Now we can do all our operations, whatever we want, receive, transfer, anything. And also if you want to change this device within the same trial limit of the date, you can just click the remove and add this license key, same license key with a new device, and it will activate it. As we are giving only one device for the trial, so you can change, remove here and add another one as well. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this demo.